Hello my friends, welcome back in my new episode about my best-selling video and photography in month of the August 2021. I hope so you will enjoy this episode and you can learn something new or you can find what is selling out in the agencies, and maybe this help you do some update in your own portfolio and maybe help you change your sale. The market is still very not moving too much, but my sale is definitely better than in last month in July. I hope so everything will continue this way and it's starting be more established than last year, and I hope so this will help us everybody make some extra money with video and with photography, because I know you all love what you do, and same with me, otherwise we will don't do. It's so simple. Best-selling agency for me in this month is Shutterstock, Alamy, Pond 5, Adobe and Dreamstain, and the other sale is coming from the other smaller agency. But this 5 is definitely in August the best working agency for me. I will put some pricing under the video and let you know for how much it's video sold or images, give you some idea how much money you can make. It's nothing special really this month, not any major big sale, it's mostly standard, but the sale is definitely better than the months before. This means it's really the business is growing up a little bit. Same like every month, it's selling everything really from nature to food and editorial images for me. From the video, it's same that I sold some editorial footages and some still life or nature video footage. It's really anything is possible to sell if you have something what somebody is looking for. And but definitely the market is very crowded with millions good picture and video footage. It was definitely, sorry about that, it was definitely not easy find something new what you can do. Me personally, I don't like to be like a copycat. I always try to do something my own way, but it's not always easy. Sometimes you need some inspiration. When I start, I always do more than I want when I start, because I am pretty creative. When I start with something, I cannot stop with new ideas sometimes. All these months I use mostly my new Sony A7S III camera, because I can say it's definitely a good decision what I did, and I'm so happy with that camera. I don't take with me any other camera, mostly like 80% I have just the Sony with me, and sometimes I take GoPro, depends what I'm doing. I did couple other projects for me during the August. I did a lot of video from construction city, because near me it's building a new road and I don't want to miss the opportunity, and I filming and photographing the people working there. And also I spent one day, not day, really like couple hours on the beach after Hurricane Henry, after the storm, but in Connecticut it's, thanks God, don't hurt us really bad, and looks like in area where I live everything it's fine, and I don't hear and I don't know if it's any big damage around. I hope so, no, because they're bringing just the trouble for the people. I will try to in September a couple of people photography and couple of video footage with model, because this is really empty space in my portfolio, white space, and I have to fill this empty spot, because the people is still #1 bestseller from all the agency, and I don't want miss any sale if I have some chance shoot with models. Because I don't travel too much this summer, I should rather still life at home, and I try find some new idea, and I hope so this will be selling soon, and I will let you know how is the sale later, because I'm still not done with editing. Please, if you like this video, click on the like and don't forget subscribe to my channel.